An ERP implementation rescue, or recovery, is the process of getting your failing ERP project back on track, whether the project is stalled, over budget, or failing to deliver value. But what causes implementations to fail? Why does an ERP project require rescue? Some of the key causes include lack of clear objectives. No one's really sure what the business is trying to achieve. Inadequate stakeholder involvement, when end users, IT, or leadership aren't really on board. Poor project management, when deadlines slide and resources get stretched thin. Customization and integration issues, when the ERP system can't properly connect with existing systems. Poor change management or user adoption, when people don't use the system as intended. So what are some of the steps you can take to save your ERP investment? It's important to take a structured approach. Diagnose the issue. Review the scope, goals, processes, people, and tech to pinpoint the real issues. Engage stakeholders. Get leadership, managers, end users, IT, and any outside partners on the same page and fully committed. Create a recovery plan. Reset the goals, adjust the scope or timeline if needed. Emphasize change management, user training, data cleanup, and make sure the system fits your business. Track how things are going as you roll it out. Monitor and adjust. After you're back on track, watch the progress, fix what's not working, and stay focused on the business results. When an ERP rescue is done right, a struggling project can turn into a system that delivers the value you expected. Ultra Consultants helps manufacturing and distribution companies turn around struggling ERP projects and guide them to a successful finish. With decades of hands-on implementation experience and proven strategies, we know how to get stalled ERP initiatives back on track and delivering real results. For more information and additional resources on ERP recovery, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.